Okay, so the customer has spilled coffee on this laptop. Let's quickly go through the steps what to do if you spill something on your machine. First thing, don't panic. Unplug the power cable, press the on button, hold it down for these 5 seconds until the machine switches off. That'll be a hard shutdown. Get some paper towels, enough to absorb all the liquid that's on the machine. Close the laptop, turn it upside down. We're trying to avoid the liquid going through the keyboard to the motherboard. If your laptop has an external battery, remove the battery. So right now we have no power going to the motherboard, and we are increasing our chances of recovering this machine. Keyboards, easy enough to replace. Right, so on this machine, first job, get the keyboard out, make sure no coffee has got down to the motherboard. Easy enough, there's no screws from the bottom on this particular model. There are some tabs here, plastic, that we need to just push back. Pull up the tab and the keyboard's out. So this keyboard has got a plastic cover on the bottom, so that's very good. That's going to stop liquid getting through. There's 1 or 2 small holes here. Other keyboards don't have that cover. Okay, so there is a little bit of the motherboard exposed here, and there is some plastic here, so just a quick inspection. Okay, there's no signs of liquid anyway under this keyboard. If you've spilled water on your machine, unplugging it and removing the keyboard and leaving it to dry a couple of days, most probably your keyboard's going to work again and everything will be okay. If it's a sugary drink or coffee or something like that, in my experience, most of the time the keyboard's going to need replacing. So in this case, just going to replace the keyboard. Not too expensive compared to the price of replacing the machine, and we'll be done with it. So pretty simple. As you can see, there are some metal clips underneath the keyboard that clip into these little plastic retainers here. That holds it down, along with these clips on the top. No screws, and this laptop is going to be back on the road. Okay, quick and easy. Right, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to open up a document. I'm going to type out all the keys, make sure it's all working, and then this one can go back to the customer. Thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix. We'll see you in the next one.